Hitachi miter saw. It's being rebranded to Metabo, I believe. Works very well. I replaced the blades with EDT ultra fine finish. Clamp already damaged the fence, got it replaced. Very accurate out of the box. Miter adjustments. It's very compact. It very much that I built this stand for it, storage wood scraps, extension cords. This dust collection port. Not the best. Sort of like collecting about 50% of the dust. Highly recommended. High quality product.
I have used this miter saw for every project in my home. What I love about this product is that the motor is very powerful and so is the blade. Not to mention I can also bevel cut, so getting my crown molding and window trims done was a breeze with this machine. I was cutting some trim here for my kitchen, but I've also used it to do my door sills as well as a variety of other types of wood. It cuts through with no problem.